Stop before you spend a single penny on a racing game. You need to watch this if you love high-speed action, insane drifts, and adrenaline-pumping races, but don't want to break the bank. I've got you covered. Welcome to Apps for PC, your ultimate destination for the best free games on Steam today. We're counting down 10 of the best free racing games that you can play right now on your PC or laptop, and trust me, number 1 is an absolute game changer, so hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Starting off at number 10, we have Racing Brothers now. Don't expect high-end graphics or realistic physics here. This is more of a casual, fun game where you can race against friends in wacky environments. The game features multiple vehicles, some crazy tracks, and even weapons to spice things up. It's perfect for a light-hearted gaming session when you just want to have fun. However, the controls can be a bit clunky, and it's not the most polished racing game out there. But hey, for a free multiplayer racing game, it's worth checking out. At number 9, Nitro Nation Experiment is a treat for drag racing fans if you love games where you can tweak every little part of your car and then test its power in straight-line speed battles. This game is for you. The best part? There's no energy system or pay-to-win mechanics like in many mobile racing games. You can compete in online tournaments, customize cars to your heart's content, and experience high-speed thrill. The downside? It's mainly focused on drag racing, so if you're looking for open road tracks or circuit races, this might not be the one for you. At number 8, we have Super Dirt Racers, a free-to-play off-road racing game that delivers fast-paced action and intense dirt track battles. If you love games like Dirt or Wreckfest, this game offers a similar feel with fun arcade-style handling. You'll race on muddy tracks, drift around sharp corners, and battle against AI or real players in online multiplayer. The game may not have AAA-level graphics, but the physics and tight controls make it an absolute blast to play. It's completely free on Steam. At number 7, we have Racing Classics, Drag and Drift, a free-to-play racing game that brings back the golden era of muscle cars and classic drag racing. If you love retro-style cars, high-speed drag races, and precise gear shifting, this game is for you. With realistic car physics, customization options, and various game modes, it offers a thrilling experience for all racing fans. Plus, the drift mechanics add an extra layer of challenge for those who love sideways action. If you're looking for a mix of drag and drift racing, this game is a perfect free option on Steam. Trackmania at number 6 is all about speed and skill. This game is known for its insane stunt tracks, time trials, and the ability to create and share your own tracks with the community. Whether you want to compete in ranked matches or just enjoy jaw-dropping loops and ramps, Trackmania delivers. However, the free version is somewhat limited, and you might need to pay for extra features. Still, it's a fantastic free racing game to test your reflexes. Coming in at number 5, Drift King is a dream come true for drift lovers. This game focuses entirely on drifting mechanics, requiring precise control and skill. You can fine-tune your car, take on challenging courses, and even compete for leaderboard spots. The graphics aren't top tier, but the physics are impressive. If you enjoy games like Kart's Drift Racing but want something free, Drift King is worth a shot. Renzo Racer is a fun, cartoon-style racing game that looks like something straight out of a kid's TV show. It's colorful, chaotic, and has some crazy physics. If you're looking for a lighthearted game that doesn't take itself too seriously, give this a try. The game still has some bugs and lacks polish, but it's great for casual fun. Now we're in the top 3. Raceroom Racing Experience is for serious racing fans. It features officially licensed cars and real-world tracks, with ultra-realistic handling and physics. The base game is free, but additional cars and tracks require payment. However, even with the free version, you get an authentic racing experience that's hard to beat. Taking the second spot, Asphalt 9 Legends is an arcade racer with stunning visuals, insane nitro boosts, and over-the-top action. If you love high-speed, cinematic racing with a focus on spectacle, this is for you. The downside? The game has microtransactions, but you can still enjoy a lot of content for free. And finally, the number 1 free racing game on Steam is Overdrift Festival. This game combines open-world exploration with realistic drifting physics. It's a paradise for car lovers, with an active community and regular updates. If you want the ultimate free racing experience, this is it. So, there you have it. The top 10 best free-to-play racing games on Steam. Which one is your favorite? Or did we miss any hidden gems? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming content. See you on the track.